Hi beauties, it's Tonya Emm and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an application and a review for this Bobbi Boss unit called Tania. And I have her in the color FHL350/99J. So this is what she looks like. I'm not a fan of the curls. They're very frizzy and just not a good curl pattern for this length and this style. This color is bomb. I actually saw this on two other YouTubers, the color, and it was in the style Harena, and I love the color, but it was sold out in that style. So I decided to buy the Tania style and thinking maybe it's not as bad, you know, because the stock card, in my opinion, she looks a mess on the stock card. So what I'll be doing is I'm going to go in and customize her to my liking. This is what she looks like. She's a 13x4 cap construction. The lace is like a really light brown. She comes with two combs in the front behind the frontal, one in the back, and adjustable straps. I do have a plan for her, so you will see me do that. I'm going to show her what she looks like on before I start customizing. So I will be doing a flip part. The bangs are way too long, so I will be cutting them, and I'll be cutting some of this hair off. So I'll be cutting it probably like right here, and then I'll be cutting some of the bangs so they're shorter and they fall more like this. See, the hairline looks really good. However, I'm a little confused because after throwing her on, this side doesn't come down that long. So I will have to pull like sideburns, which I usually do anyway, but this one does. So it's a little weird. I just don't want to keep her on all week, so I will be using my wig dealer lace spray, and I will be doing the ball cap method. I always do the ball cap method, especially because I have a low hairline. I do have a higher point right here, so that's natural. That's how my hairline is. So I'll be doing a ball cap method using the Ghost Bond glue. I don't use the Got To Be spray to lay my ball cap because it dries out my edges, and it has caused my edges to fall out in the past, and they are growing back nicely now, so I want them to stay like that. I'm going to tint the lace using a stick foundation. I'll come back and show the install. still whispering because now he's asleep. And I'm pretty sure you saw him acting up in the video. That's why I'm mentioning him. Anyway, this is the final outcome of the customization of Bobbi Boss Tania, or Tania. So I kind of like got her to look similar to Harina, which is the original way that I went in this color, but I did not know what it looked like. I actually bought Harina in a midnight blue color, and I'll do a review on that. But I saw this, I was like, why? I was kicking myself because it was available at the time, and now Harina in this color is not available at all. So I got Tania thinking that she may not be that bad. Honey child, y'all saw what that wig looked like when I put her on before I customized her. It was not it. But I'm so glad that I saw a vision and I stuck with it. Anyways, let me get into the specs. It is a 13x4 deep lace free party wig, so you can part it anywhere from here to here, and it goes back 4 inches. It is the MediFresh Safe and Clean cap, so they have that offer. So it's a mesh cap and it's supposed to be safe and clean, blocks UV rays, and is antibacterial. And this is the FS navy blue that I do have in Harina. They have it in Tania too, just in case you may have saw the wig and like, maybe I like her, you know. I just think with the colors, it made the hair really rough, and it just wasn't, no, it wasn't popping. This is heat safe up to, it doesn't say, but I always tell y'all guys, you don't have to put your curling iron or whatever above 320, 330. Keep it at that and you're gonna be good. It came with the baby hairs, sort of, not really, but I don't really pay attention to that because I always customize my own baby hairs. So I really did not like anything about this unit except for the color. Oh, and her hairline was like really pre-plucked. I didn't have to do nothing. I was really impressed with that. The Bobbi Boss hairlines recently have been really good. As you could see with the filler wig that I received, I didn't have to do no customizations to the hairline. Like this, I just threw it on. It was just really easy. Being that I had to do all that extraness to the cutting and the layering, it was a blessing that I didn't have to do no plucking to the hairline. So I didn't show the whole customization. I do apologize, but I have my son who's sleeping in the background. He's very clingy and he wouldn't let me do too much. I tried to, what I really wanted to show you guys was me cutting the wig on the camera, which I did. So I'm glad that I was able to show that. But I didn't really do anything else to customize. I just laid some baby hairs right here and in my sideburns, and then I took a hot comb and kind of like put it right here on the sides with my wax stick, my Care wax stick, just to like hold the flip. I really want the flip method. I saw it on a couple of other YouTubers like this with the flip, and I really wanted to keep it like that, but I like my flips to stay in place. So yeah, I love the length of this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I did not glue this unit down, which I'm regretting right now. I just didn't know how it was going to turn out. So I may just wash off the lace, the hairspray from the lace, and then go ahead and glue her down using my Ghost Bond glue. But actually I probably won't, because I need to do wash my natural hair and deep condition and then dye her again, because the grays is poking through, girls. The grays is poking through and we cannot have that. So I'll probably just take this week to take care of my natural hair, and then I'll apply another wig on Sunday like I usually do. Let me turn around and show you guys 360. So yeah, the pros was the color and the hairline. The cons was the hair pattern. I don't know what curl pattern they was going for, but it was horrible. The layering was horrible. It just looks really drab. Like it needed some layers. I was thinking that I was going to have to recurl it, but it's still fine with the curls that were left. So if you wanted this color, it is available. I think I got her from Hair So Fly Shop. Let me know if you like this video. Hopefully I edit it so we're not too long. Don't forget to like, this video. Comment down below if you liked how I customized her, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Thanks for watching.